Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today we are going to talk about another brand new launchpad. That ClickPad is a world first multi-chain powered AI launchpad for IDO, NFO and NFTs with inbuilt DEX. With the help of ClickPad you can expand your fundraising horizon. With the help of ClickPad you can choose for multi-chain protocol where you can get fundraise in ETH, BNB, Tron, Matic and various other blockchains that are available, and you can attract various investors in various other blockchains also with the help of one single platform. So this is a plus point of ClickPad, that they are offering multi-chain IDO system where you can gather investors and attract investors from multi-chain blockchains. So most of the IDO platforms that are conducting IDOs right now are focusing on one specific blockchain, that is ETH or BNB. With the help of ClickPad it will be expanding the investor range to various other blockchains. So this is a plus point of ClickPad according to me. So if you want to buy ClickPad token, that is Click token, you have to click on this buy token tab and you have to first whitelist yourself in the IDO of ClickPad itself. So to participate in the ClickPad IDO, only 5 days and 15 hours left for you to participate in the IDO. You have to click on this whitelist now and you have to join their Telegram group by clicking over here, and you have to also visit their Facebook page and like their page by clicking on this click here tab. And then you have to follow them on Twitter by clicking over here and write something about ClickPad, and you have to tweet about the ClickPad on your Twitter page by clicking over here. And then you have to just provide your MetaMask and Trust Wallet address over here, and then you have to click on this submit tab. And if you are lucky enough, you will be getting allocated in the IDO and you will be getting guaranteed allocation for their IDO. Whitelisting is compulsory for you to participate in the ClickPad IDO. So here you can see the blockchain supported by ClickPad is Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Ethereum, Huobi, Echo Chain and Matic. So they will be including more blockchains in future. So currently they are supporting this much blockchain. Potential of ClickPad is very vast. As you can see, most of the well-known blockchains are available over here. So here you can see the about section of ClickPad. ClickPad is a community-centric and transparent DeFi cross-chain platform offering project fundraising, IFO, NFTs, token sale and much more for the crypto community. Let's join hands together to make investment a more secure and more transparent. So the main aim of ClickPad Launchpad is to bring IDO, NFTs and token sales as more secure and more transparent to the crypto community. Launchpad will be highly transparent and more secure than any other launchpad that are available in the market right now. And you can download the white paper and go through the white paper right now by clicking on this download white paper tab. So in the white paper you will be getting ton of information about the ClickPad Launchpad. Here you can see their main aim is to make DeFi more safer and more straightforward to the community. So here you can see the solution that ClickPad is going to bring is that they are going to offer multi-chain oriented project, being a bridge to a organic way of fundraising across the EMV based blockchain. Launch your project through their platform and collect ETH, BNB, DOT and Matic. So if you conduct your IDO in ClickPad, you will be able to accumulate ETH, BNB, DOT and Matic. All the users that are going to participate in the ClickPad Launchpad will have to first whitelist themselves in the IDO, and then they can invest any of the cryptocurrencies that are available over here, that like ETH, BNB, DOT or Matic. There is no specified currency that you need to have for participating in the IDO. So you can have any of these cryptocurrencies like ETH, BNB, DOT or Matic, and you can participate in the IDO. So here you can see the token sale pattern is also available over here. The name of ClickPad token is ClickPad coin. The symbol is Click, CLIK, and the total supply is 150 million. And currently the supported coin to purchase Click is BUSD. So and the ICO price will be around 0.01 USD. So and minimum purchase is around 50 BUSD. So you can purchase the minimum amount of 50 BUSD worth ClickPad token, and hard cap is not set for per user. So here you can check out the benefit of using their solution is they are going to offer guaranteed allocation for every whitelisting winner, and one-time KYC is needed. So this is a cool thing that you have to just complete KYC for one time. Other platforms that are available in the market that are conducting IDOs, you have to complete your KYC each and every time whenever new projects come. So this is a good thing that they are offering one-time KYC, and multi-chain wallet connection is also available. So you can connect several wallets from different blockchains with a single click. Third most important thing is that multi-chain sales, and they are also going to have multi-chain farming and swap, insurance, treasury, and NFT auctions. So these are the cool things that ClickPad is offering to you right for using ClickPad Launchpad for the IDOs. So I recommend you to participate in the ClickPad IDO itself, and I also recommend you to hold your Click token and participate in the IDOs that ClickPad is going to conduct in near future. Here you can check out and go through more features by going through the white paper. White paper is having ton of information, and so I recommend to check out the white paper. And so here they have also provided the roadmap of ClickPad. You can get more information by going through the roadmap. Here you can see what they have conducted in quadrant 1 of 2021. You can check them out, and you can also go through all the quadrants of 2021 and 22 and get more information how they are going to proceed with their launchpad and what are the future announcement and future development that they have planned for their launchpad to sustain the crypto market. So you can go through the roadmap and get more information about it, and here you can also check out the partners list of ClickPad, and more information about the partners will be given after the IDO is completed. So you can wait for them to announce detailed information about their partners. And here you can also check out some of the links and get more information about the working of ClickPad Launchpad and the terms and condition privacy policy. So I recommend you to go through the terms and condition privacy policy first before entering into the project, and you can also check out the frequently asked question list, because most of your doubts will be cleared by going to the frequently asked question list. And if you still have doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over Telegram. The team is highly active over Telegram and other social medias, so if you have any doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over any social medias that are mentioned over here. I recommend you to go through the terms and condition privacy policy and white paper first before asking your doubt into the social medias, because most of your doubts will be cleared by going through the white paper, or else you can ask them over their social media links. And according to me, ClickPad Launchpad is going to have a better future because they have brought a really cool solution for the Launchpad by offering multi-chain. So this is a cool thing that you can participate from any blockchains that you want, and there is no limitations for you to participate in the IDO. You have to just fill the whitelisting form and you are good to go if you are getting allocated. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.